Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a fantastic household planner Notion template that's designed to help you manage your home life with ease, from chores and meal planning to budgeting and family events. Let's jump in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life organizing content. Now, let's simplify our daily routines and create a harmonious home environment with this amazing planner. Explore 3 distinct views in this database: schedule, by room, and board. To start, navigate to the schedule view and create a new page by clicking New at the top left corner of a calendar cell. A new cleaning plan will appear, which you can rename to match the task at hand. The date is automatically updated based on the calendar cell where you created the cleaning plan. Now, choose the room for cleaning. The status is initially set to not started, but you can change it to in progress or done. In this database, you'll find all the family members. To create a new one, click the New button. You'll have the option to choose from 6 different colors that correspond to the cover color. Select your preferred color and enter the name of your first family member. You can add an emoji representing the person or use a neutral emoji. Choose their role in the family, or create a new one by typing directly in the property field. To change the color of the selection, click the 3 buttons on the right and pick a new color. Add their birthday, blood type, phone number, and email address. This database offers 2 views, table and board. To schedule a new appointment, return to the table view and create a new row. Name the appointment and link it to one or more family members. Select a date for the appointment and, if desired, add a reminder to be notified by Notion before or during the appointment. You can also include a start and end time. Finally, input all relevant appointment information. Welcome to the Meal Planner, where you can organize your meal plan and keep track of your favorite recipes. To start, let's add a new recipe to your library. Click on the New button to create a new page and give your recipe a name. You can also credit the original recipe by pasting a web link. Enter the preparation time in minutes, cooking time, and the number of servings. You can also choose from 5 different meal types and specify if it follows a particular diet. Rate the meal from 1 to 5 stars and upload an image to illustrate it. You can either upload an image from your personal files or paste a link to a web image. Once you've added the details, list the ingredients on the left side and the instructions on the right. Congratulations! You've just added your first meal to the meal planner. The batch cooking section is divided into 4 columns, where you can configure your sessions for the week. To add a new session, remove an old one and click on the New button located just below the week. Write the title of your new plan and click on it to open a new side peek page. In the What to Do section, write down all the important things you need to do before and during your cooking time. This feature helps you stay organized and on track throughout the process. The prep and cooking time will be updated automatically, so it's important to enter the correct prep and cooking time during the configuration of the recipes library database. At the bottom of the page, you'll find all your recipes listed, making it easy to access and select the ones you want to use during your batch cooking session. With these features, you can easily plan and prepare your meals for the week ahead, ensuring that you have healthy and delicious food on hand whenever you need it. Start by creating a new shop page. Click the New button and rename the page. Add a visual by uploading a square logo of your favorite shop or pasting a link to an image from the web. Next, head to the General Purchase dashboard to begin your shopping list. You'll see 3 columns organized by purchase type: a grocery list, a house shopping list, and a household product list. Let's add a new item to the grocery list by clicking on New. A side page will appear. Name your new item and add an emoji to illustrate it. Choose a shop from your list, enter the item's expiration date, and input the price and quantity. You can also add a web link to the product. Once you've purchased the item, click the checkbox to move it to your stock. This action will also deduct the item count from the grocery shop's database. The item will then appear in your stock and be added to your house budget database, which we'll explore later. Finally, navigate to the food stock section. The food stock handler list contains items that have been purchased. Check Finish to move these items to the trash. This page seamlessly integrates with the previous one we discussed. When you check off an item from your grocery list, it is automatically counted and added to your stock. There's no need to manually input the date or update any information, as everything is updated automatically for your convenience.